Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. This is me, Esther GreenApple, the Traveler's YouTube channel. And if you are new here in this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification for you to be updated for my next videos. So this time, we're having this very interesting ATV adventure in this island in Nicaragua. So please watch with us here. Can you say something to vlog?
So this ought to be interesting.
So this is Centro's
Hay agüita por aquí en algún lado.
years old. This is one of their the Eagle Warrior, Coyote Warrior, and Jaguar Warrior.
Cavalier and Jaguar. This is Jaguar.
Jaguar Warrior, Coyote Warrior, and this is Eagle. They say Caballero, but that was Eagle because look at the head here. It's an eagle head. It's an Eagle Warrior.
And this is Diosa. This is Lady.
Lady, Goddess,
Goddess. Diosa.
La Diosa.
Diosa. And how?
Diosa so chiquita. La.
Ometepe.
La. This one.
10-15% of the island?
Yes.
Wow. It's a big island. But
Okay. So we're driving in the bus, right? In the bus, we're at the hotel. We're at the hotel is right here.
Okay.
San Jose del Sur.
Oh, so we are ready.
And then we take a machine in Moyugalpa,
Yeah.
and then driving a machine
Yeah.
this way to Altagracia, where we are now. Yes,
Wow.
yes.
Wow.
And then we will go to this volcano right here.
Yeah. You're going to that one?
Yes.
The other volcano.
Yeah, El Porvenir. El Porvenir is for to see enjoy. That museum, they want to one Nicaraguan ceramic, they want Nicaraguan something for told through the visitors where are the beautiful culture or indigenous monument. But they don't want to keep it. They want to borrow it. Just they just want to borrow. In the other volcano rock too. The other day, really, like this.
I think also that was around here.
Hole, but in the middle is a bigger hole. Where, when it was what happened? When it look under the tree, it's no forest, no nothing. Look around, it's green, a lot of grass, you know. Right here around the tree, no.
Why not?
Because look, the tree has a lot of end.
Spikes.
Yeah.
Spikes.
Yeah.
Go on.
But ends, the end come down and clean.
Oh, the ant.
Yes, the
Oh,
ends. coming down and clean because the ant don't want more on the tree. Just then. And dry season and rainy season, the tree is green all the time because the ants go together and put the water on the root. Keep it green because the tree produce a food for them. A lot of honey. And okay, and now come on. Look at their horn. I don't want to touch. You know what happens if I touch? The ant come and bite me. Really, the ants coming and bite me. Here, and here has a little hole. You see? Here has a very little hole. I want to ask him, what do you think? Who make it a hole, the ant or the tree?
The ant.
She said the ant.
I said the tree.
You said the tree. She said right. The tree. Because the tree know when the honey is ready to eat, and the tree is open for the ants going to eat.
And the tree knows that the ants will bring
Yes,
it
the
water.
tree know. The tree know.
And
Yes.
The ant will bring it water
Yes.
to keep it going.
And they live it together. It's a symbiotic process.
What's the name of this tree?
This is a acacia tree. One of the acacia. Acacia tree. But in Spanish, cornizuelo tree.
This is a fresh.
It's the same. It's the same family. Acacia. Cornizuelo tree.
It will grow taller.
And then this happened, you know, so funny. It's like a person too. You know what happened? Because when this is too old, the ant to go.
Oh. Really?
Really?
Yeah. When they can't survive, so what they're in there needs to survive.
And
You know, because you can live on rice and beans, you can't on tobacco.
yes, yeah. They tried to buy again because I saw the little tobacco crop in Ometepe again. Maybe late it's gonna be another big region with tobacco grow. But the moment the first economy is agriculture. It's the first economy. What are the people grow for business? Made money is plantain because the people from Costa Rica, Honduras, Salvador, they come to buy plantain here and export to that countries.
So Nicaragua got a good supply for plantain.
Yes.
So they have very big plantation here for the plantain.
What's so funny because we export plantain and import bananas.
What bananas imported here? Like
Banana, the small one.
so you only have the good production of plantain, here,
Plantain.
but the other variety of banana
No,
is
no.
not.
No.
Where do you get them in from Costa Rica?
Yes, from Costa Rica.
So Costa Rica has a good plantation of other bananas.
But banana, no plantain, banana.
But plantain is banana also, yeah.
All right, they are family. What happened? What's happened?
It's
The
like
banana you
variety.
can eat it and no cook, no boiling. The plantain you have to cook. You have to fry and cook for
This,
it. The banana just wrap it and the people eat it. Yeah, you don't have to cook. The banana is just for monkey for us, you know.
Yeah.
yeah, it's easy to eat direct when it's ripe.
All right, when it's ripe, people eat it. But
Yeah, but
banana
we're-
no, plantain no.
But I
When
think
the
the plantain is ripe.
people have to cook. When it's yellow, the banana plantain, I'm sorry, it's plantain is yellow. The people fry in oil, you know,
I like to boil it,
boil it, yes.
boiled plantain, because it looks like Indian banana. When I
Uh-huh.
was in Dubai, they called it Indian banana, but here it's plantain.
Plantain,
Plantain.
that's the local name. It's so funny because we have so many different names for different fruits. I was living in Costa Rica 7 years, and my nickname over there is Kalala. This is my nickname in Costa Rica, Kalala, because in Nicaragua, one fruit we call Kalala, but in Costa Rica, it's different name. The people call different. Maracuya. In Costa Rica, the people call maracuya fruit. In Nicaragua, we call calala fruit. When I was in Costa Rica, I was working in one bar restaurant in San Jose. I saw and test calala juice. I was in the bar. And the one Costa Rican man come asking for what do we have for drink? I say we have calalas for drink. And the chico say, what does it mean calala? Calala. Okay, when he tests the juice, he say, hey, come on, Nica, it's no calala. This is maracuya. All right, in my country, it's calala. For me, it is calala. And that was my nickname for 7 years in Costa Rica. Calala.
You made your name it.
You know which fruit is? Passion fruit.
The passion fruit.
The passion fruit here in Nicaragua is calala.
So what is it in Costa Rica?
Maracuya.
Oh, but in English, passion.
Passion fruit.
It's a vine. It's a vine.
It's a
fruits.
yeah. Oh, sometime in here, the people growing on the fence.
We have it
Passion
before.
fruit.
Oh,
But no,
like
no, now.
it's a big green
It is.
and it's watery
It is.
and it's a big seed.
Sometimes the people for tradition they want to growing passion fruit in one tree, mango tree or orange tree, but it's no good because the passion fruit plant is hot and also it's like a parasite for the tree.
Yeah.
If we left the passion fruit tree.